Welcome back, and today we are doing another glueless wig installation. All right, and these units can be glued down for those who are dealing with thinning hair. And zoom. All right, so with this one, this was a custom fitted unit I created for myself. The hairline has been customized, and we did the kinky hairline. So that's a new thing that's out. It actually mimics African American women edges, pre-relaxer. And look how full this hair is. This is because this is a custom-made unit. These units, typically, they begin around $775 and up. If you're looking for, for more affordability, we also have the units that are around $400 that have not been custom-made. And, with the custom fitting and all those types of things. And, look at the final results, baby. We had to wand curl this hair. This shows you that this hair is very versatile. Some people wear it in the blowout state, like we were wearing it earlier and pinning it up, while other people like the styling. We just did a quick styling. All right. We hope you were able to show you this beautiful hair.